Welcome. In this video, we're discussing on equation or radical equation or radicals equation. So if we say radicals equation, I'll start with type 1. So type 1 of equation of radicals, we call it equations containing one radical. So this is type 1, we call it. So these are equations that contain only one radical. So a good example, e.g., solve the following radical equation. So this equation, take note that they need to contain only one radical. For example, this is our a, square root of 3x plus 1 equal to 7. So for us to solve this equation, take note of this. We need to find the way we can eliminate this square root. So the only way we can eliminate this square root, we need to introduce a square which is represented by 2. So it will be square root of 3x plus 1. So we introduce a square, both sides, even here, a square. The reason why we're doing that, we need to kick out the square root so that this can cancel, and then we'll remain with 3x plus 1 equal to, don't forget the square root of 7, same as 7 times 7, the square of 7, 7 times 7, so it will be 3x plus 1 equal to 7 times 7, it is 49. When you reach there, you need to collect the like term, so it will be 3x equal to 49. The additive inverse for positive 1 is negative 1. Therefore, it will be 3x equal to 49 minus 1, which is 48. So we'll divide both sides by 3, even here by 3. So this cancels, so we'll say x is equal to 3 into 3, 1, 3 into 4, 1, remainder 1. So 3 into 18, it is 6. So this is our final answer. So this, we call them radical equation, or rather equation of radical, which contain only one radical. So apart from that, a second example, which is b, it states that square root of 3x plus 1 plus 1 equal to x. So first step, here we should only remain with something that is having a square root. So we'll write square root of 3x plus 1 equal to x. We'll find the additive inverse for positive 1, which is negative 1. Immediately you reach here, since we have a square root, to eliminate this square root, we introduce square both sides, even here, square. So the reason why we're doing that, we want to eliminate this, so we'll remain with 3x plus 1. So this x minus 1 square, same as x minus 1, and then we'll expand it. So we have expanded, we'll simplify it. So it will be 3x plus 1 equal to x, open bracket, x minus 1, minus, open bracket, x minus 1. So after doing that, you need to simplify. So it will be 3x plus 1 equal to x times x, it is x square. X times negative 1, it is negative x. This times that, it is negative x. Negative times negative, it is positive 1. So it will be 3x plus 1 equal to x square. This, it will give us negative 2x plus 1. When you reach there, collect the like terms. So if you want, you can say 0 is equal to x square minus 2x. The additive inverse for this to be negative 3x plus 1. The additive inverse to be minus 1. 0 is equal to x square minus this to give us 5x. This is 0. After that, this can be written as x, we factor out x, minus 5 equal to 0, which is x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 5. So this is our final answer. So let us proceed to the second one. So this is our third example. So it states that x plus 6 equal to x. So when you see this question, first step, we should only remain with something that is having a square there. So it will be square root of x equal to x minus 6. When you reach here, you need to introduce a square, both sides, even here a square. So after doing that, this cancel, we remain with x. This same was x minus 6, another one, x minus 6. So when you reach there, you need to simplify. So it will be x equal to x, open bracket, x minus 6, minus 6x minus 6. After that, here we have x times x square, minus 6x minus 6x. Negative times negative, it is positive 36. Put the like term together. So before that, we need to simplify x square, this one, to give us minus 12x plus 36. If you see, this can come this side. So here we remain with 0 is equal to x square minus 12x minus x plus 36. So our final answer, or our final equation, it will be x square minus 11. It should be 13x, because here, if you observe carefully, this part and that part, we need to add them. So it will be negative 13x plus 36x, which can be written as x square minus 13x plus 36 equal to 0. When you reach here, you need to find the product, sum, and factors. So product, sum, factors. We are just solving this quadratic equation using factorization method. So how do you find the product? So this is our A, this is our B, this is our C. So in finding the product, we say A times C. So A, the coefficient here, it is 1. 1 times 36, it is 36. Our sum, it is B, so negative 13. So which number that we can multiply to give us 36, when we add to give us negative 13, it is negative 9, negative 4. So those are the factors. So immediately you find the factors, you need to substitute them on the sum here. So it will be x squared minus 4x minus 9x plus 36 equal to 0. Group them like this. The common factor there, it is x, so it will have x minus 4 minus 9, x minus 4 equal to 0. So our answers, we have x minus 9. This and that, we need to put them together. And then we have x minus 4 equal to 0. So when you do that, equate everything to 0, to be x minus 9 equal to 0, or x minus 4 equal to 0. So it will be x is equal to 9, or x is equal to 4. So this is the final answer. And then this is the end of this video, solving equation involving one radical. Thank you for watching.